Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm so happy and excited to be uploading this long overdue tutorial for you guys that I did some time ago, and I'm just happy to be sharing it with you guys. My client came in and said she wanted something different. She wanted gypsy locks and then box braid all together in one style. So this is the hair I'm using. I'm using about three different kinds of hair. I'm using the go-go curly hair, the Mali hair, and then the supreme regular braiding hair. I will put in the description box the link of the hair that I use, and I'm just cutting the go-go curly hair into. I'm gonna cut it into two equal part for the back, because the back is supposed to be shorter than the front. So I'm just applying the jam and I'm combing it into the hair. That way it gives it the neat and perfect look. So I'm tucking the rest of the hair away, and for this size I'm doing about medium size. So I'm just sectioning the hair, so you want to make sure you have the size you're doing, you have it in mind. And I'm just gonna start braiding with the curly hair first. So I'm gonna do the curly and box braid, and then later on I'm gonna wrap the curly hair, the one that I did with the curly hair. I'm gonna wrap it with the Mali hair, which is the gypsy locks. Hopefully that makes sense. Just keep watching to the end. I hope the video is detailed enough for you guys, so just keep watching. Was wrong to say I wouldn't change a thing, 'cause in the story of our lives, the best of times through color glass, time rolls on enough to let me move on past, but every little now and then it creeps on back to shape my smile. So like I said, when I'm done with the box braid part, I'm gonna take out the Mali hair and wrap the curly hair that I did. So you wanna braid the curly hair to like a 1/4 inch of the hair, and you wanna crochet in the Mali hair. You don't have to crochet it in, but just to reduce the tension on the scalp when wrapping, I usually crochet some Mali hair into the hair and then wrap it with just one of the Mali hair. So I'm just wrapping it right now, and I'll wrap it all the way to the end. And then the curly hair that I used to braid the hair will be hanging down. That's what gives it the curly ends. And I'm just trimming it right now with a lighter. You can use a glue, it's your preference. I've seen some people complaining that the lighter makes it frizzy and all that, but if you're using mousse at the end of it, you shouldn't have a problem with that. So it's your preference. If you like the nail glue, if you like the lighter, it really doesn't matter. But for me, the lighter is just easier and more and faster. So keep watching. So I'm done braiding. I'm just trimming to make sure there is no frizziness. And in order to give it that gypsy look, I'm just gonna crochet in some curly hair into the braids. That way it's not, it looks fuller, and it just looks so perfect. I was so surprised when she said she wanted the style. I have never done this before or even thought I was going to do something like this, and I was just so surprised of the outcome. And I wonder why I never posted this tutorial a long time ago. It's been sitting on my phone, but I'm happy to finally post it up for you guys, edit it and post it up for you guys today. So let me know what you think in the comment section down below. If you have any questions, please be sure to leave it down below. I will definitely answer it all. So I'm done with the curly hair. I'm just gonna style it right now, and I'm also gonna apply some mousse to reduce the frizziness of the hair, and I'm also applying some Got2b spray. So I use this too to reduce the frizziness of any curly hair, and I also recommend my clients using it as well to maintain the hair. And I'm moisturizing it with the olive sheen oil, one of my favorite product. And also laying them baby hair, we're not doing anything special. It's just brushing it to the back, and it looks so perfect at the end. I really love the style, and I hope you guys do at the same time. My client also loved it, and it was just different, which I really like, and I would love to try again. So I'm done laying the baby hair, and I'm just gonna style it the subscribe button for more videos. If you're on Instagram, please follow me at sooooo112, and also my Facebook is sooooo112 as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next tutorial. Have a blessed day. Bye.